Hi, let's get editing your QR code. The first thing you do is just on your template, once you've opened it, delete the code and we'll generate a specific one for you. Now, you can just go down to the left-hand side to the Apps tab, click on that and click on QR code. What it's asking you is to pop a URL in. It could be a link to a video on YouTube, it could be a booking form that you want to direct your clients to. So for this purpose I'll use my Etsy shop, so I'll just copy and paste that URL and I'll pop it into here, and then it says generate code. So you do that and it creates your unique code, and the link that you've placed into here will be when your client scans that code, it will direct them to the web link. So in this case it would take you to my Etsy shop. So I hope that's helped, and if you have any trouble, don't hesitate to contact me.